Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. This is 12-inch MDF base in which I'm going to create a dot mandala using metallic colors again. I already drew circles and created grids. We can get started with dotting right away. I'll start with dotting in the center using metallic grey. Now I'm going to dot with pearl metallic spring green. Now I'll create tiny green dots. Now I'll dot with metallic dark green. Now I'll keep tiny dark green dots. Now I'll keep some grey dots. Now I'll keep spring green dots. Now I'll work the dot with this green. Now I'll keep dark green dots. Now I'm going to keep two side swipes using dark green. Now I'll keep straight swipes in dark green. I'll keep a dot and then drag it to a swipe later. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep two side swipes in grey. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some light green dots now. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep some dark green dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep some grey dots. Now I'll keep some spring green dots. Now I'll work the dots in this green. I'll keep some grey dots now. Now I'll keep some dark green dots. Now I'll work the dots in dark green. Now I'll work the dots in grey. Now I'll keep straight swipes in grey. I'll keep a plumpy dot, then drag it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Now I'll keep two side swipes in dark green. As usual, I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'm in total love with this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.